If your Stripe account is restricted, it can block payouts and prevent you from accepting payments. Yeah, this usually happens because of verification issues, suspicious activity, or policy compliance problems. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix a restricted Stripe account step by step. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and review any alerts or notifications. Stripe usually provides a reason why your account was restricted. Make sure your personal or business information is complete and verified. Submit any required documents like government ID, proof of address, or business registration. Check that your business and website comply with Stripe's policies. Restricted products or missing policies can trigger account restrictions. If your account remains restricted after verifying info and policies, contact Stripe support. They can review your account, clarify the issue, and help lift the restriction. After contacting support, follow their instructions carefully and monitor your dashboard for updates. Once resolved, your account will be restored and payouts enabled. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes Stripe account restrictions so you can resume accepting payments and receiving payouts. If this helped you, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tutorials.